In this video, I will show you how to fix the X app if it keeps crashing on your Android phone. First, restart your phone. This can clear temporary system glitches that may be causing X app to crash. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then turn on airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off to refresh your network. Next, make sure that X app is up to date. Launch open Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar. Here, type X and search for it. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now, open the X app and check if your problem has been resolved. If the issue continues, head over to your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. From this list of applications, you want to search for X. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache. Then head back. Now tap on Permissions. Make sure the app has permissions it needs, such as notification, storage, camera, and microphone if you use those features. You also want to make sure that your device is using the latest software. For that, head all the way back and select Software Update. Tap on Check for updates and install any latest updates on your device. If the app is still crashing, uninstall the application and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.